Welcome to this exciting tutorial on creating a blockchain-based travel booking system. In today's world, the travel industry has been facing numerous challenges, including fraud, lack of transparency, and high operational costs. By leveraging blockchain technology, we can create a more secure, transparent, and efficient travel booking system. We'll be using Java for backend development and a simple client interface for demonstration. If you have basic knowledge of Java and its frameworks like Spring Boot, you'll find this tutorial straightforward and enjoyable. Before we jump into coding, let's go over the key components of our system. We'll need to implement a smart contract to handle bookings, a basic blockchain to store transaction records, and a simple user interface to interact with our system. First, let's outline our project structure. We will have directories for the blockchain logic, smart contract implementation, and the web service layer. Let's start by setting up our Java project. We'll use Maven to manage our dependencies. Your pom.xml file needs the following dependencies. Now that we've set up the project, let's start by implementing our blockchain service. Create a file called blockchainservice.java in the blockchain directory. In our blockchain service class, we initialize our blockchain and create a Genesis block. This Genesis block serves as the first block in our blockchain. Next, we need a block class to represent each block in our blockchain. Create a file called block.java in the same directory. We've now created our block class, which contains essential properties like previous hash, data, timestamp, and current hash. Next, let's implement the travel booking contract for our booking logic. Create the travel booking contract.java file in the smart contracts directory. Here, we have a method book trip that will initiate a trip booking on our blockchain. We still need to set up the Ethereum connection, which is the underlying blockchain technology we'll be using. Now let's set up our connection to Ethereum. For this, we'll use a service class called Booking Service. Create this class in the services directory. The booking service combines our travel booking contract and blockchain service to facilitate booking operations. Now we need to create a simple REST controller to expose our booking functionality. With our booking controller set up, we're almost done. This controller takes in traveler name and destination as parameters and processes the booking through our booking service. Before we finish, let's configure our application properties to set up our blockchain and Ethereum connection. Open the application.properties file. Here, we are configuring the server port and setting up a MySQL data source for any additional data handling we might need later. Don't forget, you need MySQL running and configured before starting the application. Before we run the application, let's build our project using Maven. Open your terminal, navigate to the project root directory, and run mv clean install. Once the build is successful, you can run your Spring Boot application with mv Spring Boot run. Your REST API should now be running at http://localhost 8080/API/bookings. To test our booking API, you can use Postman or any HTTP client. Make a post request to http://localhost 8080/API/bookings with parameters traveler and destination. You should receive a confirmation response indicating the booking was successful, along with the corresponding transaction hash. Great job so far. Now let's review what we've done. We built a simple blockchain service, implemented a smart contract for handling bookings, created a REST API, and finally tested it. In a production environment, you would want to consider additional features such as user authentication, error handling, and securing your API endpoints. You might also want to explore front-end technologies to create an engaging interface for users to search for and book their trips. As we reach the end of this tutorial, I want to thank you for your patience and enthusiasm. Implementing a blockchain-based travel booking system is a significant step into the future of transparent and secure transactions. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tutorials, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, happy coding!